Rapid motion is a segment of CNC programming that's commonly overlooked. Just because the machine is moving as fast as it can, programmers assume that there's no remaining room for optimization. Mastercam 2021 introduces a new feature in rapid motion that can improve cycle times and even extend the life of your machine. But before we look at this new feature, we must first understand a machine-specific behavior within rapid motion. If we backplot operation number 2, can we feel confident enough to run this operation for real? The answer actually depends on your machine. Let's run the same operation through Verify instead. Backplot and the graphical toolpath display looked ready to run. So where is this gouge coming from? The behavior that Verify is simulating here is called a dogleg rapid. Some machines will not move in a perfectly straight line when a single rapid command moves 2 or more axes simultaneously. This is because each axis simply moves as fast as it can to get to its next position. This means that each axis can arrive at its commanded position at a different time. Generally, the X and Y axis have similar maximum rapid speeds, causing a 45-degree dogleg. A machine that forces all axes to arrive at the commanded position simultaneously is said to synchronize its rapids. These machines deliberately force some axes to run at a slower linear speed, which makes the tool draw a perfectly straight line from start to finish. Even though this rapid is a straight line in backplot, an unsynchronized machine will move more like this, causing the gouge we see. By default, Mastercam Verify assumes that the machine is not synchronized and that the rapid will dogleg. Mastercam Backplot and the Mastercam Graphical Toolpath display do not show this behavior. If you have a newer machine that synchronizes its rapids and you don't want Verify to simulate doglegs, the behavior can be deactivated in the control definition. You must be positive that your machine synchronizes rapids before changing this setting. There are 2 safer ways to avoid gouges caused by dogleg rapids. The first way is to convert the rapid to a feed move. Let's make this change in operation number 2 and regenerate. Verify now runs with no gouge. The other method to avoid collisions from dogleg rapids is to simply raise the retract plane over the top of the stock, as shown in operation number 3. Making sharp corners in the middle of a rapid can cause unnecessary wear and tear due to harsh axis deceleration and acceleration. This also means the tool isn't moving as fast as it possibly can throughout the entire rapid. Mastercam 2021 allows us to turn these sharp corners into a radius. Let's set the radius to 375 thousandths and regenerate the toolpath. We now see smoothly radiused corners in backplot. These radii are a series of straight G00 lines. No arc moves are created. A tighter cut tolerance setting for the operation will create more points in the radius. Generally, to maximize machine speed through the radius, it is necessary to keep the cut tolerance as loose as possible. Again, the straight line rapid between radii is still susceptible to dogleg motion depending on the machine. Testing in the Mastercam manufacturing lab showed a significant cycle time savings when using radiused rapid retracts. Combining the understanding of dogleg rapid motion with the new radiused rapid retracts in Mastercam 2021 will help you to truly optimize all segments of your CNC program.